Are you losing your Medi-Cal and not sure what to do about your health insurance? Hey, I'm Tommy at MedicalInsuranceToday.com. We do a lot of individual and family plan market insurance, including Cover California. We help a lot of people with Medi-Cal, and we're seeing a lot of people that are losing their Medi-Cal because they make too much money. There is an income chart that I'm not going to bore you with the details, but there's a set chart that says, okay, if you make, let's take a single person as an example, if you make below $21,597 a year, then you qualify for Medi-Cal. If you're over that $21,597, then you buy a private insurance plan through Cover California, like an Anthem Blue Cross or a Blue Shield or HealthNet, Kaiser, any number of plans that are available in your area. And if your income is just above that, say you make, for instance, $25,000 a year, your insurance, literally in a lot of cases, is going to cost $0 a month. And for top level plans, you might have to spend $25 to $75 a month for top level care. There are lots of options that are affordable. If you're losing your Medi-Cal, this is to be encouraging to the folks that are losing their Medi-Cal. We helped, I believe, 12 people last week that were losing their Medi-Cal, that were going on to a private plan, and over half of them got a plan at zero cost monthly. So you're still not, they didn't have to pay a monthly premium. So what we're seeing is Medi-Cal is I don't want to say tightening up the reins. They're actually asking for proof of income. What a shocking idea is that they actually consumers need to actually document their income to qualify. We see frequently folks that make well over that $21,597 that are on Medi-Cal. It's a very common occurrence. I've been seeing it for years. So I think that those days are numbered. Going into 2026, you're going to see a lot of people that will no longer qualify based on simply Medi-Cal is going to start qualifying people based on their income as they're supposed to do already. So there is hope for folks. You know, you hear about a lot of stuff in the news that Medicaid's Going away. Medi-Cal is California's version of Medicaid. It's an income-based, and if you're below that $21,597, you get insurance for free. Through Cover California, though, as I was saying, you can get insurance really inexpensively and get very, very good quality coverage. So there is an option there that isn't going to cost an arm and a leg to remain insured. So I wanted to offer a little bit of hope to the folks that are out there. I've got a lot of calls from people saying, I am freaked out, I'm losing my Medi-Cal, and we walk them through the process of what they can get, and they say, oh, well, this isn't so bad, and it's not. To talk a little bit about the Medi-Cal system, I have frequently seen, I've been doing this since the very inception of the Obamacare Affordable Care Act mandate, and that came into play in 2013 to start in January of 2014. So it's been 11 years now, and I was in insurance years before that. I've seen, I can't count how many times I've seen someone that comes in that is well over that $21,597 mark, and they are on Medi-Cal, and they've been on it for years. So I think that that's coming to an end. And I think in a fair system that people, if you're going to take a free benefit, you should have to qualify for it. You should have to show a pay stub, show your W-2s, and that's really all that qualifies. That's all that's required to qualify for Medi-Cal. For folks that are below that income line, we need Medi-Cal to help these people remain insured. What I think is happening right now is the system is starting to play by a set of rules that should have been followed for a long time coming. And now you're starting to see that come around where people are going to start losing their Medi-Cal, and it's going to be a little bit scary. You're going to hear about this stuff in the news and stories from people, but there is a way to get insured that is to get very good quality coverage at a very, very affordable and low cost. And that's what this is all about. Insurance is very, very expensive. I acknowledge it. My family of four, we spend over $1,000 a month for our health insurance plan. Insurance has gotten crazy expensive. So we're very realistic that, there's got to be a middle ground, and Cover California is the way to do that. For those folks that have lost Medi-Cal, there is a way, and we can help you through that. So please reach out to us. We would love to help you. If you are losing your Medi-Cal, contact us, MedicalInsuranceToday.com. All of our information is in the caption below. We're based out of Costa Mesa, California, and we look forward to serving you.